How to post on TikTok for everyone to see. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Now click on the option of Privacy. Disable for the option of Private Account. Click on Switch. Now I can head back. Click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. Record the video or select any of the picture or video from your gallery. Once you have selected the picture or video, now I can make changes to it, edit it, and once you are done, click on Next. Now click on this option, Privacy Settings, who can view this post. You can set it to everyone, and now click on Post. This way everyone will be able to view this post. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily post on TikTok for everyone to see. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.